Today in this video we will learn about how can I add Whmcs registration button on my website. Suppose that there is a website with no Whmcs registration button. Therefore, in order to apply that button, go to Integration Code under Utilities section of Whmcs. Now copy this code which will be used for Register Now button. Now log into cPanel of your website and then go to File Managers section under public_HTML. Go to that page where you want to display this sign up button and paste it over there. Now once you have placed and saved the code, you will be able to see a registration button or an option in your website.